Ever heard a chord that feels lush, but kind of wistful? Let's dive into the minor 13th.
Want to instantly upgrade your chords? This interval adds an ethereal, melancholic shade to a minor 7 foundation.
It gives you a really powerful tool to create perfect tension and completely natural resolution.
So what is it? It's a massive 7-note stack built 20 semitones above the root. Start with a minor 7th chord. Then just stack the 9th, 11th, and that distinctive flat 13th. But here's the catch. Playing all 7 of those notes at once just creates pure acoustic mud.
The true magic of this harmony, it's that flat 13th. It adds a totally unique blue hue.
To keep things sounding clean, the pros actually use a really clever acoustic subtraction hack.
You'll almost never play every single note. Instead, you strategically drop intervals to preserve the chord's character. By ditching the unnecessary notes, you prevent frequency masking so your chord doesn't sound completely washed out. Check out this optimization cheat code used by top jazz, pop, and classical musicians. Instantly fix your muddy chords by totally dropping the perfect 5th and the 11th.
Why drop the perfect 5th? Well, it's a redundant harmonic overtone that just clutters up your sound.
And dropping the 11th clears out the middle space, allowing that colorful flat 13th to really shine.
Let's build a lush C minor 13. Play the root, flat 3rd, and flat 7th left-handed.
In your right hand, play the 9th, the 11th, and that beautiful flat 13th on top.
This specific voicing creates a beautiful, transparent sound that is absolutely perfect for smooth voice leading.
In a standard jazz progression, the gentle tension of that flat 13th just pulls the harmony forward. Watch how the 9th resolves down a half step, creating incredibly smooth motion into your dominant chord. This exact trick is how legends like Debussy, Bill Evans, and HER build those dreamy harmonic backdrops.
Grab any minor 7 chord you know and add that flat 13th. Where will you take it next?